Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Saylor. Are you ready to take an adventure in reading? Let's go. This week, you're reading a story called A Cupcake Party. We're going to practice a comprehension strategy to help us understand the story. Comprehension means thinking about what you read. What part of your body do you use to think? Your brain. Get those brains warmed up to think, boys and girls. Our comprehension strategy this week is story structure. Story structure is the parts of a story. Story structure helps you retell a story in your own words. The first part of story structure is identifying the characters. Characters are who is in the story. We had a lot of characters in A Cupcake Party. Fritz was our main character. What animal was Fritz? Yes, he was a squirrel. Kit was one of our characters. She was a cat. Next came Jack. What animal was Jack? You got it. Jack is a dog. Then we met Fran and Stan. Fran and Stan are a bird and a skunk. Last, we met Glenn. What animal was Glenn? You got it. Glenn is a bear. The next part of story structure is the setting. The setting is where the story takes place. Take a look at our cover from A Cupcake Party. It shows us a good picture of the setting. Where is Fritz? We see a picture of Fritz's house. His house is a tree in the forest. You could use any of those to name the setting of A Cupcake Party. When thinking about story structure, you also need to think about the plot. The plot is what happens in the story. In the beginning, Fritz invites his friends to a party. In the middle, Fritz baked cupcakes. At the end of the story, Fritz and his friends have fun at the party. The story structure helps you retell. A retell is when you tell the story in your own words. Let's look at our pictures to help us retell a cupcake party. First, Fritz wakes up and he misses his friends. Fritz decides to invite his friends to a party at his house. His house is a tree in the forest. So Fritz sets out and first he invites Kit. Next, he invites Jack to his party. Then Fritz invites Fran and Stan. Last, Fritz invites Glenn to his party. Fritz bakes cupcakes for all of his friends. At the end, Fritz and his friends eat the cupcakes and have a wonderful time at the party. So remember, boys and girls, you can pay attention to the story structure or the parts of a story. Ask yourself, who are the characters? Where is the setting? And what happens in the story? You can use those parts to retell the story in your own words. You've done a great job today, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.